Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry in a rice cooker. Chop onions and garlic, toast spices, then layer rice, protein, vegetables, curry paste, and measured liquid into the cooker. Press cook and avoid lifting the lid while it finishes to keep steam in. Stir gently at the end, adjust seasoning, and let the dish rest to settle flavors and texture for a satisfying, easy meal. In this video, I will show how to make curry in a rice cooker. Gather rice, protein, vegetables, curry paste or powder, and measured liquid before you start. Chop ingredients uniformly so they cook evenly, and pre-cook dense vegetables or raw proteins briefly if needed. Layer ingredients rather than stirring them in, and choose broth for richness or water for a lighter result. Season cautiously and taste after cooking to adjust salt or acidity. In this video, I will show how to make curry in a rice cooker. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, recipe prompts, and music while you cook, and it fits neatly on any counter. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make curry in a rice cooker. Sear aromatics and spices briefly, then transfer to the cooker with rice and measured liquid. Place proteins and quick-cooking vegetables on top, close the lid, and run the standard cycle without interruption. Once done, fluff rice gently, fold curry components together, and let the dish rest so flavors meld. Finish with lime or herbs for brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.